Silent sound system review. The 3-channel LED headphones that'll ruin regular parties for you. You've planned the party, hyped the crowd, and lined up the DJs, but your trusty gear kills the vibe faster than a bad playlist. Weak signal, muddy sound, headphones that pinch, scratch, or fall apart mid-event. Setup eats your time. Teardown feels like wrestling a jungle of cables, and by the end, you're more stressed than your guests. You're stuck babysitting equipment instead of enjoying the energy you worked so hard to create. And nothing stings more than watching people quietly leave before the party even peaks. Then there's the pressure. Clients expecting flawless execution, no hiccups, no excuses. DJs glaring when a channel drops. Guests grumbling about meh sound while the competition's events go viral. Deadlines are brutal, stress creeps in, and every glitch feels like a public shaming. You're burning out, missing bookings, and second-guessing whether all the effort is worth it. Silent discos should be magic, not a migraine. The wrong gear turns your event into a liability, killing the fun, draining your energy, and shredding your reputation in real time. Enter the Silent Sound System 3-channel LED Headphone Package, the event game changer. With 25 over-ear RF headphones, 3 powerful transmitters, and LED color-coded channels, red, green, blue, you can stream up to 3 different audio experiences at once. The foldable, hypoallergenic vegan leather ear pads stay comfortable for hours and block background noise. Plug-and-play setup means you're live in minutes. The free numbering system and storage tote keep everything organized, while the loss prevention binder helps you track inventory. With a 900-foot mobile range, or over 1/4 mile with main transmitters and crystal clear audio under 1% distortion, this kit makes dropouts and dead zones ancient history. It's everything you need to run seamless, stress-free, unforgettable silent events. This isn't just my hype. Pros swear by it. Audio specialists call the Signal one of the most reliable RF systems out there. Influencers rave about the LED feedback brilliance and marathon battery life. Event planners love the foldable design, the 3-channel choice for guests, and the way LED lights sync to the beat for a visual pop that draws a crowd. Organizers report flawless performance outdoors, even in dense, high-traffic environments. The hypoallergenic pads, a godsend for comfort and hygiene. The plug-and-play setup, so easy you'll feel guilty charging for setup time. Whether you're a DJ catering to multiple genres, a festival mixing moods, or a corporate planner dodging noise complaints, this kit nails it. Want to know why other hosts keep rebooking it? Simple. Once you try it, you'll never settle for boring, glitchy, wired chaos again. Stock is flying, no exaggeration. The Silent Sound System 3-channel LED package is already booked solid at events worldwide, and every shipment sells fast. Join the thousands of DJs, promoters, and planners who've ditched stress for flawless, high-energy nights. Don't let another gig be good enough when it could be unforgettable. Act now, lock in your set, and own the crowd from first beat to last. Limited supply. No second chances. The party revolution is here. Grab yours before someone else steals your moment.